Enough people ask me about which isolation platform that I recommend. Quite honestly, more than 90% of the isolation platform out there, they simply just don't work. The one that works costs an arm and a leg. Well, here's the only one that I can find that it's not costing you an arm and a leg, yet it works really well. Before we start, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave your comments down below so we can start a new discussion. So the answer to which vibration platform or puck that actually works and does not cost an arm and a leg, it's IsoAcoustics. It's a Canadian company, designed in Canada, so that's a plus for me. So here they are. Extremely nice. They're individually packed. Oh, with actual bronze bottom ring. Looks nice. Won't be able to see it, but looks nice regardless. Okay, let's open this up. Has the catalog inside. And here's the foot. And as you can see, that brand there. Woohoo! That's the second one. The third one. And the fourth one. They have to be installed as such, where the IsoAcoustics brand facing outwards or inwards, but not sideways or anything like that. So that's how it looks like. For my subwoofer, I use Orea Bordeaux. This is chosen simply because the subwoofer is much heavier than the satellite speakers, and the weight classification requires Orea Bordeaux to be used as the feet. For my sensor channel, I need the center channel to be tilted up a little bit and needs to be slightly taller than Orea. So I use IsoAcoustics Aperta series. The raise is about 3 inches at the back, and you can change the front height to 1 inch. This way you can angle the speaker up. So the Aperta comes as a pair, and this is how it looks like. It comes as 3-inch height from the factory. All you need to do is separate the front and the back and twist the screw top. And keep doing that until you see the red line. And that's it. You put the top back on, and I get that angled stand that I need. Put the speaker on top and you're done. So at the end of the day, what does it do? When it comes to home theater application, I find that every time I use an isoacoustic system, I always find the imaging to be much wider, much more spacious, and the sound does not sound like it's coming from the speakers. The image steering seems to be more transparent, and the dialogue becomes a lot more clearer. Because of that, I don't see any reason for anybody to not use isoacoustics, especially in a home theater situation. So, this is what it looks like afterwards. I hope you like it. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye now.